guys, welcome back. So today I have my favorite seasonal box to unbox with you guys. We have the FabFitFun winter unboxing. Now you guys know I do FabFitFun unboxings every season. It comes out 4 times a year. That means 4 times a year I will do these unboxings. This is the best. I want to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. I'm such a huge fan of FabFitFun. They always send out stellar products in their boxes. They are high quality, they're useful, they have like sports and lifestyle and fashion and makeup and just everything that a girl could want in this box that you didn't know you wanted. That's what's great about it. It's like Christmas. I say that every single time I do this unboxing. It's like Christmas. You just don't know what's going to be in the box. You don't know which version of the box you're going to get, and it's amazing, and it comes out and you're like, I love this and I didn't know I wanted it, but now I love it and I'm so happy that I have it. You know, it's so much fun. So listen, if you guys want to sign up for FabFitFun, use coupon code Samantha10 for $10 off your first box. I will put that somewhere on the screen as well, and there will be a link in the description bar. What's really great about this box is it costs $49.99. You can use your $10 off coupon that I just told you about to get $10 off your first box, but there's over $200 worth of stuff in here, so let's see what's in this box. Oh, look who's on the front of the box. Very, very Brooke. What's her name? Brooke Burke? Yeah, Brooke Burke. She is just absolutely stunning. My God, does she ever age? My goodness. First I see a $60 gift card to HelloFresh, which a lot of you are familiar with, which is a food delivery service for you to cook at home for yourself. So that's really great. Alright, I see a lot of fabric in here, which actually gets me really excited. There's a lot of fabric going on in my oversized sweater because it is 40 degrees right now in New York and I am hella chilly. I am so chilly. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Okay, I see something from Bear Paw, which is a company I'm very familiar with. So Bear Paw is a combo set. Let's see. Ooh, so you can get one or the other thing. You can either get the Bear Paw combo set, headband and pop top glove duo, or the Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. I gotta be honest, I'm happy I got this because I love gloves and headbands and warmers because I'm in New York and it's so cold. This is adorable. Wait, this is so cute. All right, this headband. Look how, I can't put it on because I have a scarf situation, but this is everything. Look at how soft and yummy this is. Oh, so sweet. Oh, I love it. So sweet. And then it's got these cute little fingerless gloves with the mittens attached. Oh my goodness. Let's put one finger in each. These are adorable. And then you've got the little thing here that comes off, and then you can make them into mittens. I love gloves like this. Oh, what a great thing. I'm so happy I got these. These have value of $45. Honestly, I go through gloves every season. I always wind up buying just at least 2 pairs of gloves every season. I lose gloves. I have to be honest. I have to fess up about that. I'll find one. I can't find the other one. I have the ones that like go up to your elbows, and I just, whatever. So I'm happy to have yet another pair of gloves to utilize this season. Okay, so the next thing in here, no. Tell me these are socks. Richer, poorer, Rena over-the-knee textured socks, a value of $24. Oh my God, you guys, last year I became obsessed with over-the-knee socks, and I always wear knee-high boots, so they just kind of peek through right at the top. It looks super, super cute. These are adorable. I love these so much, and I always like sneak them on and wear them to work because like, they're just so cute. They're fashionable. That's like me. I love layers. Like I love wearing t-shirts underneath t-shirts and sweaters and having multiple layers showing. It's just my style. It always has been. So this is another way of layering with knee-high boots, and then you wear over-the-knee socks, and just you get like the 2-inch of show. It looks so, so cute. I love it. I even scrunch them down a little so you get like the little scrunchie on top of the boot. It looks really, really cute. So yeah, and that's a value of $24. Now you can either get the socks, a Sherry Matthews acupuncture jade stone roller, which is something you would roll over your face, which actually would have been really nice to get too. I'm not gonna lie, but you know, That's okay. Okay, I love the socks. I love the socks. And then also the Pure Be Your Selfie palette, which is a value of $36. You could have also gotten that. I don't need any more eyeshadows, so I'm happy to have the socks. All right, so the last, well actually, I don't know if this is the last thing with, you know, fabric. This and something else. This is the Mark Graham Color Block Throw in Gray Ivory or Natural Ivory. I'm thinking this is the Gray Ivory. This is, oh my gosh, how do you even open this? Let's rip this little puppy open. This is the value of $49. Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and cool fringe detailing. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is definitely the gray. This is the gray and ivory one. This is so pretty. Look. Oh, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm gonna be so warm. I'm like so warm during my unboxing. Like what's with this girl, Samantha? Just calm down. I think it's because I just came back from 85-degree weather and now it's 40 and I'm freezing. But no, this is so beautiful. I can't wait to put this on my couch. This is an absolutely beautiful addition to my household. I love it. And it is a value of $49. I don't know if I said that already. So the next thing, now we have some other stuff in this box. I see some more like products, you know, producty products. This is from Anthropologie. Oh, it's Mary C. Oh, Mary C. Sam, way to go. Mary C for Anthropologie Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. This is a value of $24. Now you can either get this or the Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set. Now I'm not a huge fan of essential oils, so I'm happy to have this. Can we talk about how beautiful that packaging is? So pretty. I love the gradient. Let's open you up because Mama loves her body butter. Oh, it smells divine. I love that coconut smell. We have like 4 more things in here, which this is what I'm talking about. FabFitFun, the box never ends. This is from Thrive Cosmetics, and it says cosmetics instead of cosmetics, which is clever. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. It's an infused with macadamia and fresh foam oil and silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. Alright, so let's check this out. Okay, so let's see. What do you do? I think this is like the corner of the eye kind of thing. We just do a little bit of this, just for a little eye brightening. That's really pretty. I like that. That's really nice. And that has a nice subtle champagne. It's a nice subtle champagne without being like obnoxious, you know? This is super pretty. Alright. Not something that I would have bought for myself, but I really like the way it looks. Make sure there's no lipstick on my teeth. Okay, that is the value of $24. I keep forgetting if I'm saying it beforehand or not, so I keep repeating myself. Sorry about that. The next thing in here is from Ahava. It's a hydration cream mask, which we love. This is $33. I said the price right. $33. It's enriched with a mineral spring water, shea butter, vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. Let's open this up and see what this smells like. I think it's plastic wrapped. I didn't notice that before, and then I tried to open it up and it didn't work. Okay. Oh, okay, so there's a plastic wrap on the outside. That way you don't have to bust the tube open and pull off the top. This smells really fresh. Oh, I love that. Okay. So you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes or all night, depends on, you know, how you want to work it, and then you rinse it off in the morning. So I'm putting it on my skin. I'll rinse it off when I'm done making this video, but it feels really nice. It says it's good for sensitive skin, which I have, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing I see here looks like a necklace. Lily Sadowi silver circle necklace. It's a value of $49. I love the dainty jewelry that they send because it's always super cute. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's super pretty. I love that. just really pretty, guys. Look at that. I love silver jewelry, truth be told. I mean, I love rose gold and regular yellow gold, but silver jewelry is really my jam. It's really my jam. Yeah, this will be really pretty with a nice V-neck. Oh, yeah, I like that. Now, you can also get either a jewelry portfolio, which lets you store your jewelry, or Oribi Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. So I have to say I'm happy I got the jewelry on that one. Looks like I got 2 more products in here. The first one looks exercise related. Okay, so this is the Brooke Burke's Body Sliders. Follow the fitness expert Brooke Burke on FabFitFun as she glides you through challenging workouts on the sliders. Alright, they look like plates, but I'm sure they're going to work. I'm sure you put them on the floor and like put your hands on them and then like slide around on them. I'm like doing this. It's kind of perverted. Sorry about that, guys. This is $18. You can either get this or a coaster set or a Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. So hey, listen, I do try to exercise. I don't get as much exercise in as I'd like. Doing keto and such, but I need to add a little bit more exercise. So maybe we're gonna go ahead and give that a try, Brooke Burke. So. Okay, anyway, the last thing in the box is by, let's see what we've got here. This looks like a black hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. This is to depuff your under eyes. It's a value of $29. You leave them on 10 to 15 minutes and then carefully peel off your skin. So we do like hydrating masks here at the Riley house. We do get dry under eyes, so yeah, that's a thing. That's a thing, especially when you get older, guys. Like, it's a thing. I'm super happy with this season's FabFitFun box. There's so many products in here that I've never heard of, I've never tried before. I'm super excited to try them. From what I'm reading here, a lot of these are woman-founded companies, which is super exciting for the ladies, and cruelty-free. So I can't wait. I can't wait to get all this stuff on. I can't wait to put on these socks because I love me some long socks. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will put all the details and products in the description bar if you want to thumb through them, and a link to FabFitFun along with my coupon code. I love you guys. I miss you. I hope all is well. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.